Hello everyone, this is Anirudh here and you're watching Anirudh online, and I got a ring light online and I thought I would do an unboxing video, and I might sound a little bit weird in this video because I'm having cold and it's like doing something with my voice, so that's the thing. So without any further ado, let's move on to the video. So this is the box and I'm gonna just unbox it. And when I open the box, there are actually two boxes inside this box, and let me just open it. Just wait a second. Okay, so it's kind of hard to take it out, but this is a separate box which I think is like a tripod, I guess, and this is the light, and there is nothing inside the box, so I'm just gonna keep it away. And yeah, this is the light, and it's in a plastic cover, and I think that's a holder of some sort. Okay, and there's nothing inside the box, and I'm gonna keep it aside, and let me just take the light outside. Okay, this is the light itself, and I mean it's not very big, but I think it is just enough. I'm just gonna pull this and open the wire and stuff. So yeah, okay, it's done, and I'm gonna try use my, and yeah, there is no charge in this, so let me just go find somewhere I can use the light and show you guys how it looks. Just wait for a second. And oh my god, I actually just forgot to open this tripod. Let me just do it. And I know it comes in like this black cover, I guess, and it's fully in black. I mean, it's kind of nice to look at this, but this is not like a very special tripod. It's just a normal tripod with the tripod mount on it, and you can put this light on top of this tripod and it will just work fine, I guess. And I'm gonna figure how to put this thing all together, and I will get back to you guys once it's done. So I think it has like this metal ball and it goes inside the camera holder, I guess. Just wait a second. As you guys can see, I just set it up and I'm powering this through my laptop, and you can see the blue color, and if I power on this device, then it lights up and it works perfectly fine for what I have been using. And you can dim the brightness or increase the brightness as per your needs, but I'm just gonna put it in the highest brightness settings possible. So let me just do it. And yeah, there is also this button. If you press it, it will change through different color modes. There is warm, there is like a brighter red, and there is red and blue mixed, and then there is just straight up blue. So these are three profiles that you can change, and yeah, you can use what you want. And I will just set this up so I can do like a selfie video, and I'll show you guys. So yeah, as you guys saw in the intro, I am just using this ring light right now, and actually it is sunny outside, but if I turn off this light, as you guys can see, like this part of my face is dark, and even the walls in the background is dark, and you might even see a little bit of noise here and there. So if I turn on this light, as you guys can see, this is bright. It lights up my face and even has a little bit of reflection in the back there. So yeah, I mean, this is the blue profile, and I can switch through the profiles. Like this is the warmer red, but as you guys can see, it doesn't really suit because the walls are blue in color, and yeah, it's kind of weird. But if you're using this outside for like a sunny day, it might be useful. And then there is also yeah, this thing, it's blue and red mixed together, and this gives more of a natural look in my opinion. But I do like the blue one, and this is in the maximum brightness, and I can also decrease the brightness, and as you guys can see, it is gets little darker and darker. And yeah, this is the lowest brightness, and I can just increase it to the maximum brightness, and it's here. And if I turn it off, everything just goes dark. So yeah, this is the light I got online, and I think it is useful to me right now. So I will let you guys know how I feel it in a long run. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and subscribe if you are new here, and follow me on Instagram at Anirudh online. So yeah, stay awesome, stay sweet, bye.